Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join me. Just going to go ahead and send out a tweet talking about the VIX. Oops. VIX is down 18.87%. Anywho, all right, good morning, all. Good morning, all. It's January 28th, 2021. It is 9:02 Eastern Standard Time. Welcome aboard. Morning note. If you haven't already, make sure to click the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, subscribe, turn on notifications, like our videos. Really do appreciate it. Big shout out to everyone who joined me in our live trading session yesterday. It was really fun to do. I'm glad that you guys joined me. And hopefully we get to do it again when we hit another milestone. Maybe we hit 10,000 Twitter followers, or if we do 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, or 200,000 Instagram followers, something like that. So give us a follow on Twitter since that's the closest to 10,000. That'd be really fun. All right, so let's go ahead and talk market, shall we? Dow futures down 240. Up 245. Nasdaq up 0.5% at 62, up 62 points. S&P futures up 0.77% at 37.73. Just a disclaimer: I am long futures on E-mini futures and the Nasdaq. Russell 2000 futures up 1.44%. Bitcoin futures up 1%. I actually bought my Bitcoin. I bought some more Bitcoin today. I buy it every Thursday. I bought it this morning. I sent that to the investment club. Crude oil futures up 1.32%, $53 a barrel. Silver futures are up nearly 4%. Wall Street bets, excuse me, now they're looking into silver. So that could be something you want to watch for. Take a look at volume at silver. Sometimes you just got to roll where the liquidity goes. Now it's up 4%. Wow. So keep an eye on SLV. We'll look at it together here in a second. Crazy times. The gold futures are up 0.71%. But look at the futures market. Wow, nice bounce off this support of 3,700. Nice buy there, and looking very good here. Nice little bounce after yesterday's flush. We're going to talk about what's going on out there too with Robinhood in a second. Euro dollar up 25 pips, 121.36. Dollar yen 104.30 to the upside, 21 pips. And dollar index is down 0.14%. The VIX is down nearly 19% at the 30 handle. Remember, we used to be around the 19 handle, 21 handle. Look at us now, we're at 30, but it spiked yesterday. We should get a little more down. I'm expecting a nice relief rally today anyways. This is why I was long futures, so I'm expecting a nice bounce. Maybe around 38.15 is my target on E-mini futures in the S&P. Let me mute this thing. That's my WhatsApp. Talk to my staff. All right, let's go ahead and talk pre-market movers. Sundial Growers SNDL is up 43%, penny stock. Naked Brand up 7%. Nokia down 24%. Again, a Wall Street darling. AMC down 30%. American Airlines had their earnings report. They're up 24%. They were up as high as 80%. Genius Brand GNUS 15% down. They had some unusual options activity yesterday. I want to talk about that here. BlackBerry down 31%. Well, I had calls yesterday, but I closed them all, so I'm now taking. Same thing with Express. We took them all. That's why I talk about, guys, take your profits when you see it. Koss Corporation. There's not even options on that thing. It's up it's up 137%. It's wild. Let's talk about Dow movers. Apple had an amazing quarter, blockbuster quarter. They're only down 0.80%. I'm so happy to see those earnings. It's my largest position is Apple stock. And I would love to buy more. I wanted to fall a little more, but I guess I'll hold off here. Microsoft up 1.2%. Boeing up 1.41%. Intel up 1%. Nice bounce here. Walt Disney up 0.5%. A lot of people were asking me about shorting Walt Disney. It's bouncing. Carnival up 6%. United Airlines up 0.469%. Delta Airlines. We own Delta Airlines. They're up 3%. Tesla, after their earnings, their EPS was actually less than expected due to stock compensation. They had an excellent quarter, in my opinion. I would definitely love to buy more. My buy level for Tesla is $800 a share. If it gets to 800, I will buy more shares. It is down 4.7%. AMD had their earnings as well. They fell. When they reported on Tuesday, now they're bouncing slightly, 1.38% currently. Comcast reported earnings. They beat 4.21%. JD.com up slightly. Sirius XM, I saw some unusual options activity. I didn't try to trade it, 0.44%. That's where we are. So looking at some other NASDAQ names, again, these are the GMEs of the world. The GMEs, GME right now is at $348 a share. The closing price yesterday was $357.51. The thing hit 513 yesterday. So GME has been blocked or has been removed by Robinhood. I think they removed Nokia, GME, AMC, basically all the Wall Street bet names, those guys, the Reddit names. They basically just said, forget it, you're not going to trade them anymore. I think TD's having some restrictions on GME. I don't own any GME stock or anything like that. But again, pretty wild to see out there what's going on. Again, I guess it's consumer protection if you want to call it. But yeah, if you have Robinhood, you're basically locked out of a lot of names like GNUS, AMC, Nokia, and GME. If you don't own these names or haven't traded, nothing's really going to affect you. But I think the Wall Street bettors, Redditors sort of thing, it could just pick up more steam. More people are probably going to leave Robinhood. I don't think it's a smart idea ahead of their IPO, but that's just me. Obviously, I was joking about it on Twitter. And yeah, it's wild out there. They literally have their rules. They can do what they want. You don't have to be on their platform, of course. I don't even like Robinhood. I don't even use it. I use TD Ameritrade, and they work for me. So I don't work for TD Ameritrade. I don't get compensation or anything like that or referral bonus. I just recommend it. If you guys like TD Ameritrade, I highly recommend it. Again, I use it every day. So if you want to take a look at that, they're great. Yeah, they charge for options, but to buy stock is free. No, you don't get a free stock if you sign up or anything like that. But regarding any restrictions, sometimes the system goes down, but that's usually most brokers. Tons of them. E-Trade has the same thing, so that's where we are. But yeah, just a pretty wild day. Let's go ahead and kind of focus on what's going to move. Again, this is the chatter I saw. SLV. Again, take a look at some volume there. Look at this break. If we do want to play this, again, guys, just be smart. Remember, we did this yesterday with the live when it came to Nokia, which was yesterday. This is the previous fall level. So 2480 would be your first resistance level. If that breaks, then you want to take a look at 2518 for a target, maybe the 25.5 target or the 26s. That'd be your next level. But you need to break 2480 before you touch anything, in my opinion, before I even touch it. Again, it's not even about, kind of looking at anyone else at Twitter for information. It really is just seeing where the flow of the market is. If there's no volume, you don't trade it. Again, I showed you yesterday on the live exactly what we do step by step with the scanner and what to look for and the volume. So again, guys, it's not a secret sauce. Anyone can do it. I promise you. It's not that difficult. But again, if you have to put in the work, you have to look at the news, you have to look at the charts and see if it makes sense for you. Again, it's your money, so you want to make sure that you are managing your risk. Oh, with that being said, okay, so good morning. Let's talk markets here. I'll answer some questions here. What's up? Good morning. Any thoughts on the 323 calls for this week currently holding? Let's take a look at Qs here. Yeah, Qs did fall, but they are bouncing, so we can get a relief rally here. You have the 323s. Well, you could definitely get there. It looks like 325 is my target, which is the 100-day moving average. So I think you should be able to get it. SLV calls, I just talked about it. Let's see what we get. AAL, oh my God, AAL is insane. But it did fall. Look at that. So I would probably stay away. See if the volume comes up. We'll scan it. We'll see if there's some unusual options activity, and we'll take a look. Yeah, Thomas, same thing we talked about. Can we add Tesla on Apple today? On Apple, again, I have a position regarding the stock, and I'm not going to add here since I didn't get much of a dip. In regards to Tesla stock, anywhere at below 800, I'm going to buy more shares. So another $20 fall, I will buy more shares, but as of right now, it's still at 820. So let's see what happens. Thoughts on investing in Shopify 2021? I own Shopify. It's a great company. I suggest you own it for sure. Hello, trading on Wealthsimple. What would be the best platform to trade instead? I think TD Ameritrade. That's my favorite. Good morning, John from London. Hey, good morning. I don't know if you're a Chelsea fan, but their manager was sacked, which sucks. I'm a Manchester United fan. We lost to Sheffield United. Can't believe it. So, again, we were top of the tables. John, I don't know if you're even a soccer fan, but again, anyone from England, all our clients from England, I always talk soccer. I'm a huge soccer fan. What's my thoughts on Facebook? Facebook had an amazing quarter. I really looked at the books. They look really great. I love them long term. I wish I could have got a little more of a flush to 235 to buy more, but I'm a shareholder, so I'm holding it. Robinhood is doing illegal activities. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know if it's illegal. Is it unfortunate? Yeah, it is. But that's the reality. You're free to take your business somewhere else. Again, they have their rules. They set it up, and you can leave how you want. So again, if you don't like Robinhood, I suggest you find a different broker. TD Ameritrade works. E-Trade is fine. There's some other ones out there. So you don't have to be beholden to Robinhood. Hey, Webull is available too. I've never used Webull though. GME push, everyone. Yeah, well, it is down pre-market at 305. It closed at 347. It went to 513, which is pretty wild. Currently signing up before the February price increase. Cool, Jose. Cool. Welcome aboard. How far do you think Apple will drop? No, it's going to bounce. Nasdaq is bouncing. I think Apple will probably get to 145. Could be available for some calls. I'm going to take a look at it for sure and see if we can maybe catch a little profit today. AAL short squeeze. It was and then it fell. Roku. Love Roku long term. I own that stock. Of course, I'm very happy with it. I'm up nearly 300% on it, and I kept adding on dips. One of our darlings, top 10 of 2020, if you guys remember. Looking at it here, really, if you're looking to buy, because the options are expensive, mind you, because the price went up. You really want to start getting to around 422 if you want to play options. But if we're talking about actually buying the stock, I have a level at 302. More than likely, I'll probably have to move that to around 335, which would be the 50-day moving average. So I moved it to 335. If we get a dip, I will buy at 335 personally. Cleats and sneakers on today. Yes, I actually have my sneakers on today. I'm actually wearing my Space Jam 11s today. So for good luck, funny enough, we talked about that. I actually took off my sneakers yesterday, and the market fell. I'm putting on my sneakers again. The market fell, which was so funny. And I put on my Nike slides, and I was like, oh my God, the market's falling. And I put my shoes back on, and we kind of stabilized. Sometimes it's like little quirkiness with luck. But again, I wear sneakers to trade. I'm a big sneaker guy, so I love it. Still buy on Cash App, people. That's right, you can. Facebook calls, nothing really there on Facebook. You could take a look here. Oh, this is the daily chart. That's not going to work. Let's take a look at Facebook here. Again, you start getting above the 50-day, maybe around 280, and you can start taking a look here. 280, a break would be nice. So let's put an alert at 280.37, and we'll keep an eye. I have call options on Robinhood for Nokia. What happens now? That's something you have to discuss with Robinhood. I don't know. I don't know about Robinhood's platform, to be completely honest with you. So you need to go ahead and message them. Hello, trading well simple. Trying to move from it will be a better platform. TD Ameritrade is what I use. Picked up, joined this. I have enough to do. I can't join a WSB or anything like that. That's up to you guys. Citadel, the hedge fund on the other side, backed Robinhood. This is conflict of interest. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, my friend. You're not wrong. Are you planning to buy any stocks for long-term investing in the near future? Yeah, I actually bought some Nike yesterday on the dip. So I think it was yesterday or the day before. I think I bought Nike yesterday. I forget. And stocks today. Let's see if we get a dip or anything. Maybe there's some opportunities out there. Palantir, I own that, and that thing is on fire. I'm up nearly 90% on that stock since we recommended it on the investing club. But I need to see some good deals. Maybe Tesla, if it breaks below 800, I'll buy some. Do you think Nokia is a hold or sell? I do not own that stock. I don't touch it. But we traded it, and we got some money on it. But yeah, I mean, Nokia had some unusual options activity. It's for longer dated for February, so take a look and see what happens. Go Red Devils. There you go. My man gets it. Palantir, I own that stock too. Palantir, just talked about it. It's at 40. Now it's up. It was up as high as 45. Now it's basically slightly green. Liverpool. Liverpool. A tough year this year, man. Twitter earnings run up. Oh, that's true. Twitter, I believe, reports soon. They are up slightly. Nothing wild. Needs to get to around 51 before we start doing anything. Hello from Panama. Hello. Try to add THCX shares. Yeah, THCX has been doing great. I have an alert at 1361 to buy some more. Laser. We had that some unusual options activity as well. It is back to around 35.97. Really need to get around 38.21 to start looking at it here. But again, scan it, check the volume, and see what happens. For the person who asks, you don't need to close options on Robinhood if you transfer brokers to Ameritrade. Just did it this week. Oh, there you go. What is the price increase in February? Wanted to sign up for premium classes. For classes, there's no price increase. It's just the signals service. The master class is still the same price. Should I sell NOK at the open? I wouldn't touch that, to be honest with you. We'll just hold on and see what happens. NOK is down a couple of MIK is down a couple of cents. We hit 55% yesterday, but for those who had PDT, I held it. So again, I closed the day down 5%. But again, I went very light. Again, I was just holding for you guys that are PDT. I don't like PDT. I don't have PDT. But again, I was doing it to help you guys. So keep in mind, those are for February 19th. They had some unusual options activity, so I'm holding it. So let's see. Opinion for each hang? I have no idea what that is. Keep them J's on. You got it, really. I'll keep them on today. Do you think SLV Pulse and Reddit will catch fire? I mean, SLV is up. Look at that. Again, break 2480. We'll start taking a look at calls. Thoughts about Tiger or Tiger? Yeah, it looks like it's moving up, but nothing really there to trade. What's the price increase for the option Discord? Been eyeing them for a while. Take a look at our website, G.A.R Capital FX.com/pricing. No calls. GME is just too expensive, man. Again, I can't signal you guys a $3,000, a $5,000 option, and you guys get blown up. I am looking out for you guys too. You're free to trade how you want, but I can't signal something so expensive, guys. If you want to be mad at me, fine, but I'm just looking out for everybody else. Again, not against it if you want to trade options on it. If you can afford it, yes, but I can't signal with good conscience a $30, $100 premium. That is expensive for a lot of people. So just a heads up. What is my long-term target? Am I holding AMC or NOK? I am. I'm holding some NOK and some AMC calls personally. Very small position. Again, just holding it to see if we get a run up again. Like how many years? What's my long-term target for what? Is the price for premium going to go up anytime soon? Premium YouTube or premium option? Premium signals, yes. There's going to be a price increase February 1. For premium YouTube, no. It's the same. It's $49. I do a weekly video with you guys, and we do trading together. So we'll leave it there. All right, guys. It's 9:18. I'm going to go ahead and check in with the team. I'll catch you guys later. G.A.R Capital FX.com is the website. And we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.